why I chose this hotel during the time of coronavirus, the reason I am going to tell you, because this is very beautiful. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. So right now I am at the Hotel Hilton in Saket Mall in New Delhi, and this is the complete hotel name. I hope you can see it. This is the Hotel Hilton Garden Inn, and this is a beautiful hotel, and we chose this hotel because this is located in the prime location of Saket Mall, and during the time of coronavirus you will not have to hire any cab or go anywhere else. You can just stay in the hotel, and from the hotel campus only you can just get into the mall, and whatever things, if you want to eat or buy anything, then you can just go for it very easily. So yeah, today in this video I'll be showing you a quick glimpse of my room tour of this Hotel Hilton and the breakfast option of this hotel. So yeah, let's begin. So I'll begin with this video by giving you a room tour first. So yeah, let's go. This was the complete room tour of this Hotel Hilton. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I am also loving it too, because the best part is that they have completely maintained everything, proper sanitation, disinfected each and everything, and yeah, that is the best thing that I liked it. Plus yeah, rooms, everything was very clean and well maintained. So now just we are going for the breakfast, and I was just thinking that they won't be providing the buffet breakfast option over here. I felt that they will be providing some within the room service only, but now I think they have opened everything, and let's go and see that what all options they are providing and how they are maintaining the sanitation over there. And so yeah, let's proceed towards the breakfast. Let's go. Back from the breakfast, and the breakfast was amazing, damn good, and it was much more than the expectation, or you can say it was at par with any 5-star hotel breakfast options. There were huge options to choose from. You can choose continental, Italian, and everything, all South Indian, everything. There were paratha, puri, sabji, chole, then there were also vada, sambar, and continental fried rice, mushrooms, everything. And apart from there were also sprouts, coffees, cold coffees, juices, fruits and fruit platter, and everything were well maintained, well packed. All the plates were hot, sanitized, and warm, and everything was being sanitized in front of us. We saw that the person was going on cleaning and sanitizing with that hypochlorite solution. They were going on cleaning the coffee machine and the tables and everything. So proper sanitation was maintained, and the food was really yum. The best thing that I loved was the cakes and the bakery products. They were like you bake in at home, and it was that good. And also there were options of 5 to 6 or even more cake options over here. So that was the best thing I liked over here, and the food was amazing. Yeah, I really loved it. Now after this breakfast, we'll just go. I'll show you that how you can reach to the mall from this restaurant itself. You just have to walk a little bit, and you don't have to take any stairs or anything. Just by walking few, I could say just 10 to 12 steps, and you'll reach into the mall, get into the mall, and just give a small quick round of the mall, and then you can just come back to the room. So yeah, I'll just show you the mall. Yeah, let's. रेस्टोरेंट के ही ठीक सामने आप देखेंगे तो सेकंड फ्लोर में ही आपको बाहर निकलना नहीं पड़ेगा होटल से। आप यहाँ से आप ये आपका है DLF मॉल में, यहीं से एंट्री कर सकते हैं, जा सकते हैं। एंड रात को 10 बजे तक ये ओपन रहेगा।
Everything is being cleaned over there for public.
This is 10:30 AM.
Oh my God, you have entered DLF mall. Direct hotel से। ये second floor है, KFC वाली। It's 10:30 right now. Cleaning चल रही है।
स्टेज में ऐसे बना हुआ है क्रॉस एंड टिक। जो टिक है वहाँ पे लोगों को खड़ा होना है, क्रॉस में नहीं। फ्रॉम रूम्स एंड फैसिलिटीज़, यहाँ पर बहुत से आपको बिजनेस सेंटर्स, फिटनेस सेंटर, स्विमिंग पूल, ये भी ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं। लाइक हमें कुछ टिकट्स के प्रिंट आउट्स लेने थे।
बिजनेस सेंटर, you have to enter the room keys. With the room keys.
Just with the room key you can open it up, and बिजनेस सेंटर में प्रिंट आउट आप ले सकते हैं कुछ लेना चाहे तो। जैसे अगर आप टिकट्स के प्रिंट आउट लेना चाहें, कोई मीटिंग करना चाहे, कुछ मीटिंग्स वगैरह अगर आप करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए भी ये ओपन है फॉर गेस्ट। ये फ्री फैसिलिटी है। एंड अगर आप कुछ प्रिंट आउट्स लेना चाहते हैं अपने टिकट्स की, या कुछ अगर ब्लैक एंड वाइट प्रिंट्स है तो वो भी यहाँ पे फ्री है।
Boarding process.
Yeah. You have to fill this form before the web check-in. This is the passenger health undertaking form, and इसमें आपको just
उधर है yet you are not quarantined.
After business center, we are going to the swimming pool.
कोविड अभी स्विमिंग अलाउड है।
अभी इसमें पानी नहीं है। देन पूल के ही जस्ट बाहर यहाँ पर जिम भी है, फिटनेस सेंटर। That's all for this video, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful and helpful, and if you're also planning for any travel, then this video will be of some help to you. So this was also my first experience of staying in Hotel Hilton. I found it comfortable and great, and apart from that, this was also my first experience of staying in a hotel during the time of this coronavirus pandemic. It have to be very safe during this time. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, and yeah, bye bye.